FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And we're going to be taking a look at understanding market behaviors. And we're going to start with our setups and our patterns that we actually trade on this channel. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so on this example here, we have a 19 pip Asian range. And as we play this out, you can see basically we move from the bottom. We move from the bottom, from the top to the bottom of the range, come back up. What happens? We get stuck in the middle of the range, right? So not only do we get stuck here, but also look what the EMAs are doing. 200 is here, 800 is there, right? So it's going through price. So now, boom, look at that. Do you see that? That move right there is telling you what's going to happen. So let's just say if you go short here, you're still essentially within. If you go up to the top, the middle of the range here, you're still within 15 pips, right? And so where do you need to go essentially to get like 30? Right, you need to go down here to get 30 pips. Okay, so this candle, this behavior of them, okay, it's telling you what they're trying to do. The EMAs are here on top, the 800 and the 200 are here on top. So what is that doing? It's basically pushing down price, right? So the EMAs are here, and it's creating basically pressure to push price to go lower. Okay, so as we play this out, look at that, it keeps going. That's huge, right? So you already know what happens. But essentially 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Okay, your risk is very small, because guess what, if you're wrong, right, let it take you out right here in the middle of the range. Okay, if you're wrong, let this take you out in the middle of the range here. But the key things in this particular trade setup are the EMAs, and the EMAs basically pushing the price down. Okay, pushing along price. All right, so you have coming down, going back up. You can call this a star pattern here. You got the action actually happening in the beginning of the London box here, and these type of trade setups that happen pretty quick, because the bigger EMAs are right here, and they're ready to push price down. Okay, and essentially, if you look, we're coming off of a peak formation high up here, right? And all this right here on a 1 hour chart is level 1, right? So you add level 1 to that, peak formation high. This basically confirms that you're looking for a sell. But this is how you would know when you start to combine things like this, like, you know, peak formation highs and lows, levels and stuff like that. This is essentially extra things that you're going to know to be like, wow, I'm looking for a sell. And this is the sell setup that you have. Okay. So what are the entries for this? You have a couple things. You have the EMAs that are pushing price down, number one. You have the pattern, right? Pattern of coming down to the bottom of the range, going back up, getting stopped, pinning to the 200 and the 800 at the same time. And then you have basically a candle, an engulfing candle here that moves all the way down fast, right? And then boom, it just moves down. All right, guys, so I hope that this video provided some value for you. I hope it gave you some insight into this particular setup. And so hopefully you'll become a better trader from it. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Guys, if you need any more help, or you like the content that we provide on this channel, come on over to the FXN Masterclass. It's available right now. What you get essentially is a lifetime membership, a full mentoring course, an advanced course. You get the Blue Summit videos, weekly Q&A sessions every Sunday, group session archives, which that by alone has about 100 hours of content, weekly analysis videos, midweek analysis videos, MT4 and MT5 indicators, a customized trading journal so you could actually journal your trades every day, and then a backtesting journal that you can use to backtest and collect all of your data. Not to mention a mentoring private chat, guys. So all the information is in the link in the description if you want to join now. We look forward to seeing you there, guys, and take care of yourselves.